Page 111.
Make it shorter.
One day, Akbar drew a line on the floor and ordered,
Make this line shorter, but don't rub out any part of it.
No one knew what to do. Each minister looked at the line and was puzzled. No one could think of any way to make it longer. No one could think of how it could be made shorter without erasing it. Birbal started smiling. When it was his turn, he went near the line.
Discuss with your partner what Birbal would do. Now read further.
Birbal drew a longer line under the first one. He didn't touch the first line. Everyone in the court saw what he drew and said,
That's true. The first line is shorter now. New words.
Order,
Rub,
puzzle,
erase.
court. Page number 113.
Reading is fun.
What did Akbar order one day?
What did each minister do?
How did Birbal make the line shorter?
Say aloud.
Which letters cannot be heard when we say these words?
Short,
Shorter,
bright,
brighter,
dark,
darker,
light,
lighter,
big,
bigger,
fast.
faster. Page number 114.
Team time.
Discuss with your partner and draw pictures to show the following.
1. The ball on the left side is bigger than the one on the right. And here you can draw on the left a ball bigger than the ball on the right.
2. Rita is shorter than Radha. And now, here are two spaces provided to draw Rita and Radha. Here you can draw Rita shorter and Radha bigger than Rita.
3. Raghu's basket is heavier than Ratan's. And now you can draw Raghu and Ratan's baskets. Make sure that you draw Raghu's basket heavier than Ratan's.
4. Rajat is taller than Raj. Here are two spaces provided to draw Rajat and Raj. Try to draw Rajat taller than Raj. Page 115.
Picture story. The mouse and the pencil.
One day, a little mouse was looking for something to eat. He found a pencil.
I'm going to bite you,
said the mouse, and he bit hard.
Oh, you are hurting me,
said the pencil.
Let me draw you one last picture, and then you can do what you like.
Very well,
said the mouse. The pencil drew a big circle.
Ah, is that a cheese?
asked the mouse.
We will call it a cheese,
said the pencil, and it drew 3 little circles inside the big one.
That's an apple,
squeaked the mouse.
Let's call it an apple,
said the pencil, and it began drawing some funny curved things near the second circle.
Why, those are cucumbers, huh?
said the mouse, licking his lips.
I wish you'd hurry. I simply can't wait to get my teeth into them.
The pencil drew 2 little triangles on the top circle.
Oh, 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 oh,
squeaked the mouse.
Now you have made it like a cat. And please don't go on. Please.
Page 117. But the pencil went on. till it had drawn long whiskers and a mouth on the top circle. And the mouse cried out in terror.
Eee! It's a real cat! Help! Help! Help!
Now see if you can draw a cat that looks real enough to frighten away the mice.
By V. Sutiev.
Describe the cat in your own words. Here is the space provided. Page 118.
Let's make.
A pencil cap.
Material required. A 2x2 square piece of chart paper, red and black sketch pens and glue.
Method: color the square chart paper with the color of your choice. Hold any one corner of the square between your thumb and pointer finger and roll the chart paper with your other hand in such a way that it takes the shape of a cone.
Apply glue to the outer edge and stick it. Your pencil cap is ready. Put it on the end of your pencil and see how nice it looks.
Page 119.
Let's practice.
Here is a sentence given below with some dots. Connect the dots to complete the sentence.
A cat on the mat.
A cat on the mat, and so on. Page 120. Unit 7. Teacher's Pages.
This unit helps children to gain confidence by drawing not just anywhere but getting an opportunity to draw on the class blackboard. When done by a sensitive teacher, this will sow seeds of self-esteem and the I can feeling. Before beginning the lesson, please observe the child's inclination for simple puzzles as in A. What will come next? Circle, rectangle, square. Equals, rectangle, square, question mark. Give the children more creative experiences that enrich their personalities. This unit shows the children that language is more than talking, reading, and listening. Language creates pictures just as crayons, paints, and clay can create picture. Help children feel that words can be used to make things appear vividly. Help children identify the new words centered on pictures and colors.
Develop listening skills. Read the lesson and let the children share with you what they feel Birbal was thinking about. Then give them some inputs and let them change the ending of the story as they would have liked. Encourage the children to read more stories on using wit and humor. Develop vocabulary. In this section, the teacher can use various objects to show children some comparisons. For example, a big book, a bigger book, and the biggest book. A tall boy, a taller boy, and the tallest boy, etc. Explain to the children about different ways of making singular plurals. Es, Ves, Ies. Page 121. Give more activities of adjectives. Black, sad, happy, long. Talk to children about the different rooms in their house.
Develop reading skills. During the picture story, you can walk around in the class. This activity is an individual activity to encourage children into the habit of understanding and interpreting the text through the medium of drawing. After the class has finished drawing, give some time to the children to close their eyes and think. Clue. Relation between cat and mouse. Answer. The mouse would run away seeing the cat. Now ask the children to write a sentence and then read it aloud. Let the class imagine their favorite food. Draw a picture of the dress their brother or sister wore. Describe what they saw on their way to school, so that they get into the habit of observing minutely and colorfully. Getting ready to follow instructions. Circle the words that name things. The ant was small. The mouse was happy. The house had a green door. The chimneys were painted white.